Hi guys, real quick. So this is a really good reason why I test everything several times through the process. All right. So obviously this ring is supposed to be red, not white. But what this tells me is I either have a data miscommunication on this wire, or I have a short from data to either ground or power, probably ground. But each one of these strips was tested individually once they were made. They were tested when they were wired together. And now that I've finished my connections, and I seal everything, and then we go to the controller, we test everything again, and you can see this one here is not working correctly. So I thought I was done for the night. It's 10 o'clock at night. So this will be tomorrow at this point, but I'll have to go back through my connections and take my voltmeter, set it to continuity, do a tone test, and find out where my problem is, and then take it apart and fix it. So this is a very, very good reason why I tell you guys I test everything a couple of times through the process, because everything checked out fine until I tied everything together. And now we're getting ready to do the final test prior to shipping, and you can see I've developed an issue. So if I did not check that process several times, this would have gotten sent out to the customer. So that's why I do this. And that, again, that's why we ask you guys, once you get it, bench test everything like you see we're doing right here. Not just to make sure that everything works right, because if you're getting it, I know it works right. But more importantly, so that you can see everything works and you get practice on how to connect everything. But once you hook everything up, and if you got something like this, for example, and you called me or messaged me, I'd say, hey, this is what you need to look for. Check your connections, check your grounds, check your wire, make sure it didn't get pinched somewhere, and then go forth and go on from there. Worst case, this is under warranty. I'll fix it, no problem. But you'll never have this issue like this coming from me, because we check everything a couple of times. And again, this is a really, really good example on why I test everything the way I do, to make sure you don't have an issue when you get everything. So anyway, like I said, this will be for tomorrow. Kind of sucks, because I was really, really hoping to get this boxed up and out tomorrow, FedEx to the customer. So it'll be one more day, but sometimes when you get into custom work, that's what happens. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I guess see you guys tomorrow, because I'll do a video once everything is done and fully operational again. So see you then.